If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you will get notified. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is I'm filming my two favorite purses, and this is my Speedy 25 Bandouliere, and the other one is Speedy, just a regular Speedy, the classic Speedy. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the difference in dimension. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, the reason I would like to show you the difference between these two purses and why I have it and why did I choose this and this one too, this pattern. First, if you see the difference, 25 and 30, there's a big difference in length, right? See, look at that bottom. And this, so I have some bubbles inside of this purse. Okay, I put something inside there, but it's the bubbles. I know I showed this two purses before, but I wanted to do a comparison video of these two. Okay, so this is my first Louis Vuitton bag. All the time, even though it's old, because I love this purse. This is my first one, so all right. So anyway, just because this is 30 and it's a little bit bigger, if you have a small children and to go grocery shopping, because it's, you know, it's too big. But what I can suggest is to get this for you if you wanted to carry more. Okay, so the mouth opening of this is huge. That's why I prepared to have the Speedy 30 in the beginning when I bought this purse. Okay, compared to the 25, the 25, the mouth opening is very small. Okay, right? But these two this one has two zipper closure like this, right? Okay, I picked the Speedy 25 in the Damier Ibn print because I don't have to baby this bag, because I know I'm gonna have to use this purse all the time when I travel. Okay. And Damier Ibn is my favorite print. This is my favorite print. So I put some accessory here. Abby gave this to me. She's my son's girlfriend. I don't know where she get this, but it looks so pretty. So that's why I put it in here. Right? This is perfect if I have to just go and, you know, for work, I just have small stuff inside, then this is perfect to use for every day. Okay, so for the Speedy 30, because when I bought this, I was so excited. clutch. I already have the Speedies that I want. I'm just looking for me maybe to buy a white one, which is the Mere Azure. And I'm still thinking every time I look at the website, they're out of stock for the one that I wanted. So I'm not sure when that would be next. And I'm hoping that I can get one, at least one of the white one. And it should be good for the summer. Okay, so I'm hoping that in the next couple of years I'll get an updated Louis Vuitton piece for you guys, because from 2020 I got one, and then this year of 2021 I already get the Alma BB, so I don't want to buy anymore for now. So anyway, I told my husband I'm not be getting any more because I'm done with my collection. So we'll see. But these two are one of my favorites, and it keeps on, I keep on going back to these two purses, looking who's gonna be the first one to use, which one I'm gonna use for this month, and which there are big difference in the size. I don't have any organizer for this items, and I was thinking of buying one. I don't know, I haven't got a chance to, but I'm hoping I can get one sooner, because if I have to use these purses, it's better when you have an organizer, so that way it's easy for you to locate your belongings or any essential that you need right away, instead of grabbing or digging it inside your purse, and it will take you forever to locate what's inside because it's too deep and you can see what's inside this purse. Okay, same as this one, but this one has a big opening, so the only thing is when you don't have the organizer for this one, it's saggy on the bottom, but I prepare it like that. But some people, they were saying that I have to get the organizer so it's easier. I have to look up that. I've been wanted to get an organizer, but I don't know, I'm very busy to look for that, and that's why this is in my closet right now, so I don't use it. It's so pretty, right? Don't you think? I'm obsessed with them. Especially this one. I know it's a top handle bag. You just have to carry it like this, like that. It gets heavier. It gets heavier. You don't have the strap. Some people, they put a strap here to connect you when you want to travel, but I don't want to do that. Okay, so right now what maybe I'm gonna have to do is clean the brass part of this, the gold hardware, because it's kind of dirty right now. But this one, I know it's dark because of the lotion that I'm using maybe at that time, so I might end up getting the bando and wrap on this one, and it will looks good. Okay, this is Speedy, and like they said, it's Speedy 30 because the length is 30 here at the bottom, right? The size is the 30. Okay, for the 25, this is gorgeous purse. It is very gorgeous because this one, okay, so this one doesn't look like a Louis Vuitton if you're not familiar with it. You don't know what kind of purse is this because the logo is not LV, and you don't see LV unless you know the brand, right? So it's Louis Vuitton right here. Okay, some people, so what I prefer is it's not easy to get a big packet or something like that, because the other one is very obvious that it's a Louis Vuitton purse. people knows that it's expensive one. This one, look at that. It's so pretty. This pretty damier ribbon is one of my favorite. Out to travel, I am using this because it has a handle. I already showed you. You can use it 3 different ways: top handle bag, crossbody, and you can do it as shoulder bag as well, right? So, and the size is, it's a smaller bag. It's a 25. This guys, so nice and pretty. Look at that. It's a coated leather, so you don't have to worry to get it dirty. You just have to wipe it. Okay, so what do you think about these purses? Leave the comment down below if you would like the Speedy 25 or the Speedy 30.
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you will get notified. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!